Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we will be estimating materials. For my top piece, I'm going to be needing a piece that's 6 feet wide by 30 inches deep. Now, since we're using multiple layers, I'm going to be needing 2 pieces that are that size, and then I'm actually going to be adding a 3rd layer in there, and I'm just going to piece together a few scrap pieces. So for this project, I would have to buy 2 of those pieces. Now, as I said, we're going to be running wires through the legs of the project, so I'm going to have to be installing these electrical boxes. To be able to do this, the width of each side of each leg is going to be 4 inches so that this will fit in there properly. And then the height of each leg will be 40 inches minus the width of my top. So I'm just going to assume 40 inches for now, which will leave me plenty of room to work with. I'm also going to be adding a skirt board on each side and then on the back of it as well. And this is going to just help with the stability of it. For our back skirt board, we're going to have it 6 feet long by about 6 inches wide. And then each side, it's going to be 30 inches long by the same 6 inches wide. And lastly, that keyboard shelf, I'm going to make it about 24 inches wide by about 20 inches deep. Now, I always recommend telling people to lay out all of their pieces onto what would be a 4x8 sheet of plywood and see how they all fit on, so they, one, know how and where to cut them out, and the other, they know how many pieces of plywood they need to buy.